How to convert HTML files or web page to the PDF file. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way or methods that you can use and simply convert your web page or HTML file to PDF file. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. Okay guys, so here we are on Chrome. So first let me open the article. Like if I open Google article, okay, there is a solar article one. Okay, this is Google. Okay, learn about articles. Okay, so this is article I have, which is HTML. This is online, or you can say web page. First I'm going to show you how you can change how you can convert HTML web page to the PDF file. Just open the web page and right click anywhere. Okay, and just click on print. Just click on print, or you can use the Ctrl+P shortcut keys. Then you can see the all your web page will come here. It will be include all pages. You can see in my case I have 9 pages here. Okay, now what you need to do, you have to come to the destination and you have to select the save as a PDF. Okay, just click on save as a PDF, and you can also select the pages. If you want to all pages, then select keep the all, or you can select the customize and select the pages. If you want to only 1 or 2 5 page, then you can enter this one 1 to 5, then 5 will be select. Or if you want 1 page and first page and fifth page, then you have to use this comma between the 1 and 5th. Okay, so this is my first page and this is the fifth page. Okay, and now you can also change layout like portrait or landscape. You can use the more setting if you want. A4 size, you can select the A4 size or paper page, whatever. And now we need to just click on save. Now we have to select the destination. This is a PDF file, and just save it. Now you have to just go to this destination folder, and you can open this PDF file. Okay, second option, you can come to the Google. This second method, if you have HTML document in your computer or device, just come to the Google and type here HTML to PDF converter. So there is lots of online converter available on Chrome, Google, so you can use HTML PDF converter. And now you have to select the file from here. Okay, you can select the file from your computer. So I don't have any HTML file here. You have to just select this file and just open it. It will be convert to the PDF only, and you can download from here. Just convert it, and now you can download from here. Okay, so it will download. I have select JPG file, but you have to select your HTML file and you have to convert and download from here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.